I'm Smithy, how are you? This is a Kontiki. Well, I'm hoping it is, and it will be in a minute. This is my shed that I'm in, and I've put a couple of pieces of plyboard up, just on one wall, and I've painted it a nice shade of green, so I'm hoping it's a green screen that I've built. Anyway, we'll soon find out whether it works or not. Oh, the nerves today. Cold in my shed today. I've got a MOT. It comes round every year. I'm hoping that that's not a shadow over there. I hope not anyway, we'll see. I tried to paint it a good shade of green, so hopefully it's a green screen. All I've been doing is work at the minute, but anyway, in February I have a lot more time off, so I can get to do more things, but I haven't been able to use my van for a few days because obviously the MOT's been due and you can only drive it to an MOT centre. I feel for the people in Newcastle because their low emission zones came out today, didn't it? Older polluting vehicles charged up to £50. Who has an older polluting vehicle? The working class. Me and you, that's who have them vehicles. It's just to, you know, just keep knocking you down that bit further. Make sure you can't go in, live in a van and tour that city, same as London. You can't live in a van. They're going to do it all over the country so that you can't live in a van. That's all it's for. It's nothing else. Think of this, right? I've got a diesel heater in my van. And the guy that installed it, he said, do you want it from your tank or do you want the separate tank it came with? I said, no, use the separate one it came with because I'll use red diesel. Well, it's funny because red diesel was banned just before the price of gas and electric went through the roof. Having said that, people were starting to install them in the houses because it was cheaper to run than your gas and electric. But anyway, the government put paid to that. Don't you love living in Britain, eh? Anyway, so I'm hoping this works alright. You never know. But yeah, this is my shed. So I've got a light down there and I've got the light that was in the shed anyway. So we'll see how it goes on. It's a nightmare, and it's just that 20 minutes or whatever of waiting, and he says, oh, I'm sorry. Don't be sorry, just say it's passed. That's all I want. Not, oh, I'm sorry. Anyway, so hopefully it's going to pass. So I'm hoping there's going to be a video behind me. You never know. I'll start it off green and then I'll put a video behind me or a picture. See what we can use. You know, that's what I did it for. Have a bit of fun. But anyway, so this week, oh, what a horrendous week! I went to my dad's youngest brother's funeral. One of them things, and then I went to the granddaughter's gender reveal. Yeah, so I'll come back when I find out whether I've passed the MOT, and hopefully I have, so we'll see. See you soon. Well, I'm back, I hope it's still working. We'll find out in a minute. When I put it on the laptop, I'll see if the old green screen's working. Anyway, MOT. It's actually failed, and so I'll have to sort that. Do not drive until repaired. Tyre tread pattern not visible over the whole tread area. Offside front tyre. So it's not too bad. So I've got an advisory. Tyre worn close to limit, near side. So the offside and the near side tyres both want replacing. So anyway, I've ordered them off Amazon, and they should be coming. What we on? It should be coming today. I think. I think they're coming today. So anyway, I'll get them today, and I'll have to take them off because I can't drive the van to the tyre place. I'll take them off, take them in wife's car, get the tyres done, take it to the MOT centre. If it's booked in for an MOT, which I'll ring them up and say I'm going to bring the van, you're fine. You can drive from where you are to the MOT, and that's it. You can't drive anywhere else. So I just thought I'd give you a quick update of what I've been doing. So hopefully I'll be back on the road, probably at weekend because I'm working in the morning. So and I don't know what time the tyres come, and as soon as it work till 5:30 anyway, so the tyre place will be shut by then. So I've 2 tyres to do and then we're back on the road. So Smithy and his Kontiki will be out again. So hey, green screen's it's worked, it's done its job. There's no point being in the van, I can't go anywhere in it. Anyway, stay safe, be lucky, and I'm going to see you soon.